Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets all finished up higher yesterday and we're higher again so far this morning, being led by a strong soybean market. The soy meal market itself seen really big basis throughout the Midwest as there's a need for soybean meal out there right now that's not being met, and that in turn is spurring the rally in soybeans as soy meal is a byproduct of soybeans. Seeing a rally, got some funds short covering. The charts have been bullish. So a lot of fundamentalists out there that trade strictly on the fundamentals didn't see the rally continuing as we've seen it. We didn't think that $10 would be conceivable when I think we hit 904 back on October 1st. So technically we've almost rallied 96 cents from the lows because we did trade at 10 and over $10 in November soybeans this morning. So we'll have to see how it pans out. Definitely not in line with the fundamentals, but as we discussed here in the past, money flow can trump that. And we've also kind of got a battle between the charts and the fundamentals. We'll have to see who wins out based on that today. You've also got November options expiring today for soybeans. So the $10 strike is the highest open interest from the nearby prices. So a lot of times on option expiration days, you'll see the futures price kind of hover around where that highest open interest is. Definitely can create some anxiety if you've got your long or short a $10 call or put in the November area, whether you're going to be exercised or in the money or not. So we'll have to see how that pans out during the day. See if that does act like a little bit of a tractor beam to the futures prices at that $10 level. But other than that, fundamentally, not much has really changed. Yields continue to impress from the yield reports that come across my desk and through email and through the phone. There are some spotty areas where things might not be as good as expected, but still, yields as a most part, whether you're in the Delta, whether you're the East Midwest, West Midwest, Plains, what have you, yields are continuing to impress, and then also there's no real weather issues throughout the remainder of this month. So harvest progress should continue to go along pretty well unimpeded, and haven't seen any change in the yields. So again, we'll just have to see if the fundamentals can take back over the trade or if money flow in the charts will win out. So it'll be a little bit of a tug of war today. We'll have to see how it pans out, but that's all we've got for today. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great weekend, and we will see you on Monday.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research market commentary and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.